Oh, it's a good fish. That's a good fish. He just sucked it in. Oh, he's got it. I got him. Man, that was sweet, Phil. Yes.
Look, there's one. Got him. Nice, dude. Yes.
Well, I'm headed to my river spot. Something is a little different today. Oh, I need my car keys probably. So I'm headed up to this little river that's near where I live. Hey, cats are running around crazy. Something is different about today. I am going out on a boat with a guy named Phil. Phil lives in the houses across the river from where I fish, and we've been kind of talking, and he has a boat. He has a little V-hull John boat, and we're gonna take that out today and see if we can't catch some. Oh my god, I can't unlock my car. I'm thinking about too many things at once. We're gonna see if we can catch a couple bass, maybe some pike. I don't know. I've never been able to fish some of the areas we can get access to with the boat, so let's give her a shot. Try it out. Oh my god, let's try it out. So me and Phil were actually worried it was gonna rain last night, but it looks like we're having beautiful weather, so this might be a good one. Yeah, Phil has this little boat and it's always tied up out there, and he one day asked me, he was like, hey, you ever want to take this boat out? And I was like, yeah, dude. Can you even fit 2 people on that boat? Because it's pretty small. But he said yeah, so we're gonna try and hit up some of the spots where there's only houses on both sides, where I can't get into those backyards and fish. And there's a bunch of docks. I know there's pike in this river. I've heard of people catching tiger muskie, but I think it's gonna be a great day. I can't imagine why not. There's a lot of bass in this river, and every time I go there I get bit. So knock on wood, hopefully I didn't just jinx myself. All right, let's get it. Got my water, got my coffee. Bringing 3 poles today. Hopefully he's got enough room on the boat. If not, that's okay. We'll leave some on the dock. Morning, Phil.
Hey, good morning, man.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Great. You don't mind if I film, do you?
No.
Sweet.
No.
I'm filming our catches today.
With? Oh, you got
Just a little GoPro. Oh yeah. It's gonna be kind of tight. Can you stand on this boat?
Probably not.
Probably not, huh?
Yeah, we can. I mean, you can if you want.
I don't want to fall in.
No.
I was gonna say maybe I'll bring my big net in case we get something monstrous, but I don't think we'll need it.
Yeah, I've been trimming these trees out because they keep hanging up in them.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, it sucks.
so I go under.
You got to do those sidearm casts.
Hey,
All right.
look at that rain. Right when they
Oh,
call for
great.
it.
It's just supposed to drizzle.
Yeah.
It was really nice out by me, so wasn't bad at all.
All right, where are you thinking of heading?
I've only fished that way, so if you want to go that way, I don't know what's even out there.
Well, it goes up about 3/4 of a mile.
All right, I know there's a that bridge, like way over, like I think it's the next bridge.
Well, if I stay, in the center of the river and just let you cast to
Yeah,
the shore?
yeah, that's fine.
The way the river is, I've had the luxury of seeing this river drain completely.
Yeah.
They had to fix the pipe right here.
Oh,
I don't know if
that's
I told you
sweet.
that.
So you know the,
Oh,
yeah.
right here,
The
they
structure.
had a break. And there's a pipe that runs, it's about 8 feet under the surface of the bottom. The river's 8 feet deep here, so that pipe's down about 16 feet. They were drilling a water line across here.
Okay.
And they hit that concrete pipe, put a hole in it, so they had to go in and repair it. Guys came in here about 3-4 winters ago, put in like a tube water dam, another one down there, and drained this section right to the
That's
bottom.
wild. That's crazy. They dammed it and they drained it.
Yeah, I'll show you pictures of it.
That's insane.
But they were really cool when they did it, because they were tossing the fish that they get and scooping them and throwing up over.
Really?
They didn't kill anything.
Yeah. That's sweet.
It was very cool, but what happens is the river comes in, it goes out about 6 to 10 feet, and it goes zoom down.
Huh.
And it's 6-8 feet all across the bottom, and then comes back
There's a
up.
ledge.
So yeah, there's a drop off on both sides, about 6 feet off. So
That's interesting.
yeah.
Huh.
So anyway, I don't know if you want me to putt up and just,
I'll just start casting now. If you don't mind.
you know, if you want to move around to the middle, see if that's easier, have at it.
I've always wanted to cast at this limb. Never make it over here. Got one. I'm on.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm on stick. Whoops. This is my first bass of the day. Oh, got him. Oh my God. I had one, Phil.
Did you?
I freaking had one. He took my trailer. Put a new trailer on. All right, natural is the color. All right, I had one. Yeah, they're definitely down there. We're just sucking it up, I guess.
Oh. What was that? You had 2-1?
What's that?
Did you have 2-1? You said a trailer.
Oh yeah, this is my my trailer on my jig, soft plastic. No, it was he pulled it. He had the craws in his mouth. He didn't commit. Let me try a little darker color.
Now, if you get a hit like that, do you change up instead of throwing the same thing back out?
I just want to throw something with a little more scent on it, so he'll maybe commit next time. There we go. I also wanted to get a brand new one because that one's kind of beat up. Oh no, but that sounds awesome. We're gonna use that in a second.
Ground up crayfish or something.
Yeah.
It stays on there. It's gooey too.
That's neat.
Yeah.
Shad scent. I like that.
Yeah.
I like the sound of that. All right, let's freaking get one here. I got him dragging it past the pylons. I slowed it down a little bit. I think that's the key. They like this natural color in here. I was throwing black before.
Probably just laying up against them.
They gotta be. Didn't feel like a very big fish, but it was a fish, which we haven't seen yet.
The reason I was asking you about the, you know, if you get hit on something, as opposed to throwing that again, change it up.
Oh,
And
no,
something different to look at, just a little bit, because they've already.
they already committed on something.
Yeah,
No, usually if I throw it back in the same spot, I could get hit again. So I'm just feeding over there. Oh, that was the perfect cast. Come on. Oh my God, I just missed another one, Phil.
Did you? Well, at least they're picking up.
Yeah, oh. He's got it. I got him. Yep.
Chased it.
He's coming right at me. It's a little guy. Oh. Finally. Had him. Yeah, man. I knew there was something over there.
What was that, a largemouth?
It looks like a spotty.
Spotty?
So here, see the mouth doesn't extend past the eye?
Okay, yep.
Spotted bass. There he is. Finally out here with Phil. Freaking got one. All right, first fish out here with Phil.
All right.
Let's get him. All right, see you, buddy. Go back to your shanty. Nice. Doing some work. Oh my God, that was a freaking giant, Phil.
Really?
Yeah. Dang it.
You'll get it. You'll get it.
Oh my goodness, that was a giant. He stopped me, and I was like, "What is that?" And then he yanked. Oh, you rotten bastard!
Up against.
Right here, I pulled him right off of the wall, or right off of those rocks. Man, he freaking stopped me. That might have been a pike. The way it felt.
Oh, you are a killer.
You like that, don't you?
I do like that.
That's a nice cast.
That's an aggressive cast right there.
Top water. Is there a spook out there?
Am I close enough to that fence for you to reach? Or?
Oh yeah, you're good.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, I just wanted to try some shoreline cast here. With this Zara spook, see if we can get a topwater blow up. Oh, got him.
Got him?
Got him, Phil.
All right.
That was sweet. Sucked it right off the top. That's a good one too. This is straight braid, so I can just yank him in. Well, it's a good fish. That's a good fish. He just sucked it in. What is it? Fighting like a bass. Oh, it's a freaking giant bluegill, Phil. Look at the size of this freaking bluegill.
Oh my God, that is a big bluegill.
That is a tanker. Holy shit. Holy mackerel. He sucked it off the top too. That is a monster bluegill. That is nuts. That lure is bigger than him. Look at
Size
this
of a dinner
friggin'
plate.
thing. Yeah. Dinner plate for sure. He hit my Zara spook. Full size Zara spook. Get him in the water here. All right, see you, buddy. Holy moly.
Pearl on this stuff.
All right. Oh yeah, he hit my line.
Bluegill.
Maybe, right?
Yeah. Where your line was breaking the surface.
Yep.
You're on the surface still. Or
No,
Did you just
I
change
just
up?
switched it up.
something just rose down there, see it?
No.
Right straight down the rings.
Oh, that was me.
Oh, it was you. Oh.
Yeah, that was me. That was my cast.
Oh, geez.
Oh, there he is. Oh, that's a good one. It's a pike.
Got a pike.
Phil's got a nice pike.
I got a pike.
You want me to get him for you?
Yeah, here.
Phil's got a nice pike. Was I rolling? Yeah, man.
Oh.
Oh, he's hanging out of there. Oh my God, Phil.
He says, I know what that is.
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
Ooh, look at his back end.
Oh yeah, he got tore up by a muskie. Look at
Wow.
that. Look at that.
Oh my God. Look at that back end of him.
Look at that guy.
Destroyed.
Yeah, the
Handles.
back end. Somebody freaking hit this guy big time.
That's fresh, too.
That's really fresh. That might have been what was getting chased over there, Phil. You want to hold him?
Yeah.
Yeah, here.
Where do you hold him?
So you hold him in his gill plate here.
Okay. Away
But
from
be
his
careful
teeth.
of the teeth. Yeah, you got him. There you go. Look at that.
Oh, man.
Phil's got a nice pike.
Oh, poor guy. He's really
Yeah, he's
jumped.
tore up. Something big hit him. That was freaking sweet, Phil. Look at that guy. Attaboy. All right, Phil's got a nice pike. He's all tore up. Here, let me get a release video. There you go. See you, buddy. Right under the boat.
Man.
Man, that was sweet, Phil. Yes. That water is clear now.
Water's what?
Water's clear. Ah. Oh, nice.
You have one?
I thought it was hung up. Oh, there's one. Oh my God. I freaking hit my pole and I lost him. That was a good sized fish. Son of a. That was a monster, Phil.
You hit your pole on.
I hit my pole on my other pole.
Oh, no.
What a dingus. That sucks. Damn it. That was a big fish.
Start taking pictures again.
I know.
We're all excited and shit.
Oh, there might be another one in there. He had it. Freaking had him. Couldn't set up on him. I was getting my
But
snag
he didn't feel
out.
the hook.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well,
I set the hook and then
but
my line went slack. I think it was running at me.
Oh.
Should have set the hook like a man. That's what this
Nice
wussy
eye.
stuff. Oh, that's what I did earlier. Trying to copy off me? Man, that was a good fish. Very frustrating. All right. There we go. You good? Can we grab your gear? You got it.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave everything in the boat.
Mind if I make one cast off of your...
Hell no, man. Cast away. It's really nice about this canopy over us.
Yeah.
It can rain.
I'm getting texted.
What's that?
I'm getting text messages. It's probably Katie. Let's see.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. She's like, what? Are you okay? Are you alive?
Funny how they do that.
Oh yeah, how's it going out there? 2 minutes ago. Perfect. All right, let me tell her I'm on my way. Well, that's sweet, man. Oh yeah, here, let me send you that photo. All right, well that was sweet. Phil caught a nice pike. I caught a nice bluegill. And of course a dink bass. How could I be dink dangler without catching a dink bass? But yeah, that was it. See you next time.